All right, guys, take a look at this week's programming. We're a day late this week, apologize for that. So we'll give you a chance to see yesterday's workout, talk about that a little bit, and also today's workout. Again, point of this is to try to get you to understand a little bit more about what we're doing, why we're doing it, maybe why it's important for you to do it, okay? So yesterday, of course, we had those back squats, 3 sets of 5, followed by that burner set of 20, heavy lower body, big central nervous system beat down with those heavy squats, right? Followed by that thruster and run workout yesterday. A lot of you guys noticed had that Fran-like effect where it really kills you. It's a small investment of time, you know, so under 10 minutes for most people. Small investment for time, but it stays with you for a while, and that's really that's kind of the nature of that phosphagen energy system. Remember that? That was like that short burst of energy, or that glycolytic energy system, getting into that 4-minute range, 2 to 4 minute range. And that's where the efforts really were for most of you guys. The duration of the workout was 10 minutes, but the efforts themselves were in those two areas. That really short burst of energy at that top end, like that 2 minutes before you had to back off and take a little break, all right? Those workouts are super tough and take a long time to recover from. All right. The next thing we got here today, again, you get to see today's workout. Heavy upper body. There's the trend here. Is what we're doing right now. Following the same theme. Heavy lower, heavy upper. So we're doing weighted push-ups today. Weighted push-ups. Great movement, great core stability movement for you guys that are still coming in today after we post a video. Try to keep those abs tight, glutes tight. Maintain that tight plank position throughout the whole movement. It's really a great upper body movement, probably even better than the bench press. You know, it gets a little tricky to load eventually when you start to get real strong, but it's a really great movement, developing that upper body strength, transferring over to some of the other movements you're doing here at the gym. All right, followed by one of our benchmarks, CrossFit Renaissance benchmark, CFR chest day. All right, one of the last nice days maybe for the year here. Great day for a run. This is a local muscular endurance workout, meaning that we're focusing on one part of our body, chest, triceps, and seeing how we can process that lactic acid, lactate threshold, local lactate threshold. You'll notice once you hit a wall in this workout, it's very, very hard to recover from it. Most people find them last 50 push-ups some of the hardest push-ups that we do in any of the workouts that we do here. Just getting you better at processing that waste product. All right, and one of the big things with CrossFit, teaching your body how to process that lactic acid and even maybe burn it as fuel. All right. Wednesday, tomorrow, gonna be a long workout. The trend here, long conditioning workouts, usually Wednesday, Saturday. We're gonna tap in all 3 energy systems. It's gonna be a long one. So you think a long workout, the duration of it would tell you it's gonna be aerobic. We'll have some aerobic pieces tomorrow. You'll also find some short bursts of energy in there, talking about that phosphagen energy system again. Stretching out some of your efforts into that 2-minute range before you have to take a break. Really good workout tomorrow. One of my favorites, all right? Thursday, moderate load, high power, all right? It's gonna be a complex. So we're gonna be doing some Olympic weightlifting as we have been on Thursdays. Gonna be a complex that most of you guys have done multiple times. We'll take a look at that on Thursday, all right? Friday, switch it up usually between a power movement or a strongman movement. So we're started off with a strongman movement that we haven't done in a while. Again, strongman movements, why you want to do them, putting you in kind of weird positions to have to lift those weights up compared to lifting barbells, transfers pretty well over to your barbell stuff. And just becoming more functionally fit. Sometimes we lose focus of that's one of our goals here, one of the reasons you guys are training, to be better at what life throws at you, okay? Functional training, they're going to be better at functional training than strongman movements. All right. And then followed by a light load, light power conditioning workout. All right. Pretty good output there, but everything's going to be moderate loads or light loads on Friday. All right. Saturday, strict aerobic workout. Should allow most of you guys to keep moving through it. Going to be a bit of a longer one, but pretty much a straight up aerobic workout. Good burner on Saturday morning. All right, guys. See you in the gym this week.